Hi, this is Dr. K. Shanmukaradhya, Professor in Head Department of Mechanical Engineering. It is really a pleasure to meet all the pre-final year students of SARM IIT through this video on open electives offered by the Department of Mechanical Engineering for the even semester of the academic year 2021. First of all, why do we need open electives? It's open to all. It's a chance to gain interdisciplinary knowledge and application of different disciplines that can lead to greater creativity. It's an interdisciplinary approach to enhance the job opportunities. Dear students, the Department of Mechanical Engineering offers 3 open electives for you, which are very important from the societal point of view, namely non-conventional energy sources, data analytics for engineers, and engineering economy. The department has experts to handle all these subjects. Coming to the first open elective, non-conventional energy sources. We know that the fossil fuels which we are using will be depleted and you cannot get it after 2 decades. So already research is going on at global level on non-conventional energy sources. How to get the best out of these non-conventional energy sources. When you think non-conventional energy source, the first one is solar power and hydropower, and there are many. If you think wind, tidal, geothermal, so these are all coming in the same line and research is going on. So energy from biomass, application of biogas and hydrogen energy, the energy of the future. Of course, NASA, they are already using this one. In all cryogenic engines, they are using this liquid hydrogen. So how to get the best energy from all these things? So research is going on at global level. More scope is there for engineers. Global level research in energy sector has more demand for engineers. So it is one of the important subject. It's an interdisciplinary subject. So it is connected with electricity and taught by the Department of Mechanical Engineers. It is a very good subject for you. Coming to the data analytics for engineers. Data analytics is the key skill for modern engineer. It is very important key skill. And statistical tools. So when you think data analytics, it is statistical tools. They are the scientific tools which help us for research. Statistics, which is the science of learning from data. Statistical knowledge helps you use the proper methods to collect the data, employ the correct analysis, and effectively present the results. Very key skill for the success for any organization. It's a tool for research. Use of analytics information helps engineers to focus on the questions most critical to the entire organization and delivers enhanced profitability for owner operators. Data analytics are empowering organizations, large and small, to make key business decisions that often transform their organization or program practices, offering a look into financial savings opportunities, risk mitigation, health and safety improvements, compliance tracking, and more. Data analytics provide a holistic view of operations to develop future-focused business strategies. You cannot imagine any organization without data analytics. It's a key for success. It's a key skill for modern engineer. If you don't know how to use data analytics, you cannot proceed in any organization. This is very important. You should know this one, and we have expertise to teach this subject from our department. Coming to this engineering economy, this is very important. Just imagine, how do you manage finance if you don't know? See, it is managing of finance, decision making on investments scientifically. Engineering economics is a field that addresses the dynamic environment of economic calculations and principles through the prism of engineering. It is a fundamental skill that all successful engineering firms employ in order to retain competitive advantage and market share. Many schools across the country have integrated courses in engineering economics for their students, thereby providing them with tools to optimize profits, minimize costs, analyze various scenarios, forecast fluctuations in business cycles, and more. Depreciation. How do you depreciate? How do you go for replacement? So the replacement analysis, this is very important. How do you estimate the cost? How do you compare the prices? So all these things you are studying under this subject. This is very important subject. It is an interdisciplinary subject. We have expertise to teach this one. So you know all these three subjects, very important, have been recognized globally. So you can select, you can study this one. If you are most welcome, you are all most welcome to these three subjects. You can opt this one. Thank you for listening patiently. Thank you very much.